Okay, the property line is just beyond the back of those trees. Just on the other side of those trees and go straight to the road. The garage. Back to the house. The side deck. I don't want to spin too fast, but I'll show you the other side of the garage. So it's that tree line there. That's the property line. Try to zoom up to the front. The driveway, property line are those just on the other side of the drive, in the front of the house.